So guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can find your Snapchat password in your settings option. So please watch the full video to solve your problem. So what you need to do first is go to on your settings like that. You can do that, I know. What you need to do next, you have to scroll all the way down. You have to find the Google service. Okay, after clicking on Google service, what you need to do is find the security option. It's loading. Okay, after that you have to click on manage your Google account. After clicking that, so please watch the full video and follow every step I show you. So what you need to do next is click on the security option right here. After that you have to scroll all the way down. Okay, after scrolling down you can find a option like password manager. You have to click on password manager. Please leave a like on this video and please subscribe this channel if this is worked. So to find your Snapchat password, you have to click on manage passwords. After clicking on manage passwords, you can see here is all the apps of your users. The password have saved on your Google account. So what you need to do next is click on the Snapchat app like that to see the password. What you need to do, you can use your screen lock password, you can use your fingerprint or use your fingerprint face lock, and otherwise you can set your pin to unlock this. I'm going to use fingerprint. Then just like this, if you click on this I button like here, you can see your password, Snapchat password. So this is how you can find your Snapchat password in your settings option. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel.